button. Wallet button.
Hey everybody.
Selected. Open controls.
In this video,
Stop recording button. Microphone on
I'm
button.
actually going to do an updated
Selected.
tutorial
Screen recording button.
on
Dice World.
something I've already covered before, but I feel like it's a bit more polished now and it's kind of better to understand. So we're going to look at this once again. We're going to do how to use a ringtone, or how to set up a track to use as a ringtone in using GarageBand on your iPhone. So how to set up a track to use in GarageBand as a ringtone.
Drop Eva Facebook Game World GarageBand.
Open up GarageBand and get
Landscape
straight to
GarageBand tab bar browse tab bar garage add icon new audio record.
So what you're going to want to do, the best way to go about this is to click on where it says new audio recording,
new audio
and you'll be brought straight to where you
settings
need to be.
button. Navigate browse tracks
You're going to click on the tracks button.
Tracks F rewind
You're gonna
play
swipe
record
over
metronome loops
until
button.
you find loops.
Selected loops selected Apple loops button files button
And we're
2
going
of 2
to swipe over to use files.
selected files search touch and hold 80s under touch and
So if you have sight, you can already tell I have a number of Samsung Galaxy S20 ringtones that I've imported into GarageBand already.
browse items from the files app.
We're going to browse files from the Files app.
Apple loops button 1 of 2 recents heading recents icons asteroid audio dictate button tab bar browse 80s underscore homecoming audio cosmo 80s underscore phone audio Polaris Cosmos audio 80s puddles audio Google Duo incoming Samsung holiday ringtone audio 12/8/22 iCloud Drive actions of yt5s.com puddles audio 80s Cosmo com home angels underscore arc dick search can't icon recents heading tab bar browse tab 3 of 3 Captain Falcon wins audio 11 search new fold my bet shows zip app light
here.
search field.
And by the way, I will teach you guys how to archive and unarchive files using Zip App Lite. That's going to be a different video.
New folder zip app show side on my iPhone back button new folder all Samsung Galaxy tones and notification sounds folder 1 all 80s underscore
The ringtone we're going to use in this demonstration is Pluto from the S20.
Page 4 shared selected crystal underscore dance audio page 6 harp hit homecoming ha Q jam Luna.
I've not imported all the sounds. Still have
Milky,
a lot to do.
Muna, Nebula Neo Neptune new old orbit outer underscore over underscore owl planet Pluto audio yesterday 2.3 megabytes Apple loops button
so
1 of 2
click on that.
80s underscore 80
You're
alpha
gonna
angels
swipe
arc
over.
asteroid cos home moon Pluto Polaris Pluto dot
Now you're going to double tap and hold.
Pluto dot
Try to get
WAV
it to move.
actions available
Sometimes it'll work.
Pluto dot WAV actions available drop 6 seconds 5 4 seconds 300 2 seconds 100 0 seconds.
Perfect. You're going to wait until you hear 0 seconds. And lift. Now we're going to test it.
Browse track FX rewind play button. Stop button rewind
And we're going to stop there.
navigation button my songs
Now we're going to go
saving
here.
GarageBand recents heading add icon new search dictate my song 18 delete show and enclosing share
We're going to click share.
choose song ringtone button GarageBand cancel button.
And I'm glad that this has been polished a little bit so that it is actually easier to understand.
Name. My song 18. Text
Because
field.
last time it
Insertion
wasn't.
point at end. Edit.
gonna
Navigate. Edit. Select all.
Select all.
Share. Delete. Cap L. Delete.
Delete.
Selection. Export. Name of the ringtone. Text field. Edit.
Now we're
Navigate.
gonna use Braille
type.
screen.
Heading. Braille screen input. Orientation. Apostrophe th.
Okay.
Dot 3.
So the button layout's switched.
Dot 6. Cap L U T O. Landscape. Charge port to the right. Pluto. Name of the ring. Export. Button. Exporting as ringtone.
And
Alert. Ringtone export. OK. But
there we go.
My song 18.
Now,
file. Today. Garage. Portrait.
We can test it out. Although.
Home. Settings.
I don't think I'll be able to test it.
Photo. Camera. Notes. Remote. Clock. 9:30.
I'm going to test it in clock.
Tab bar. Select. Alarm. World. When timer ends. Polaris. When timer ends. Polaris. Cancel. Button. Selected. Polaris.
Let's hope this doesn't
Actions available.
stop.
Pluto. Actions
But
available.
I can't guarantee that it won't. So let me see.
Select.
Okay, let me just test out the timer. Alright. That should have worked. If you found this update a bit more helpful than the last video, then just let me know and we will. And then I'll keep importing ringtones as it is. Now, I'm going to cover something real quick. Okay. New audio recording. I'm gonna import another ringtone. I'm gonna show you what happens if you try to import something that's over 40 seconds long. Tracks. Or rather, over 30 seconds. Files. Browse items. We're going to import Over the Horizon, since I know that the Over the Horizon generation tones, they've always been over 30 seconds long. Okay. Watch. Or you could, when you're importing a file, you can wait until you hear that message or the click, the voiceover click. But this is what the Over the Horizon sounds like in the S20, for those of you who have never heard it before. Listen up. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. My songs. Okay, we're going to share it. And this is what I do not like. Watch. Yeah. Now, that one I'm not gonna import because it actually goes over the 30 seconds. It still keeps going. So that's the downside about importing ringtones on the iPhone. But overall, that's what you would do. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, just leave a comment, I guess. I don't care. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.